Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Thank you for guys for always coming back. Today I want to talk about certain assets you can invest in. Start as early as possible, especially if you're in your 20s or 30s. You would want to watch this video till the very end. Thank you guys for always coming back. And if you're new here watching me, welcome. You are most definitely welcome. We do all things finance here, personal finance, self-help, and self-growth, self-development tips. So if this is the kind of content that you would love, kindly hit that subscribe button now to join my amazing family and press the bell notification so that you will be notified anytime I do upload. Let's get right into the video. So we're talking assets that we should start investing in as soon as possible. And what are assets? Assets are things that when we put our monies into in the long run or in the long term makes us money. And so wealth creation, it's about starting early. The best time to start investing was yesterday. The second best time is now, is today. So even if you're not in your 20s or 30s watching me, it's not too late to start investing. But you can share this video with your child, your son or daughter, your nephew or niece who is in the age range of 20s and 30s, because you want to take advantage of the magic or the power of compounding interest. Wealth creation is a gradual process that takes time. It takes quite an amount of time. And so you want to start early so that you can make substantial growth or increase in your wealth. So the first thing you can start investing in is start investing in mutual funds. Mutual funds are a pool of funds from a lot of people, and then these brokers, they are in charge of managing these funds. They are fund managers, and so when they pool funds, they pool monies from different people who are interested in investing, and then they invest in equities, in shares, in stocks, in treasury bills, government bonds, whatever um thing they want to invest so that they know would yield dividends for the investor in the long run. They invest in such things, and then at the end of the day, they are able to gain profit. And so start with mutual funds. There's also index funds. This is quite similar to mutual funds as well. And then we have government bonds. And so all these things, if you're watching me right now, you can start investing in these things and do it for a long time and on a consistent basis. You discipline yourself that you are not going to take that money, but you leave it there, and then your money will be gaining interest, and the interest will be compounding in a very long time. You don't have to work for it. You just put in the money, and then the work is done for you. The second asset, okay, that you want to invest in is real estate. I mean, we all need accommodation. We need a roof over our heads. Real estate is a very lucrative uh, business to go into. And so if you're in 20s and 30s, you are able to save money to buy an apartment or a home that you can rent out. Is going to be uh, a very good form of passive income that will yield you dividends. Some people, I mean, they live with their parents, but they have apartments, they have homes, they are renting out to others. You can also build. If you don't want to buy, you can also build uh these homes and then rent them out. And as the years goes by, I mean, real estate is something that appreciates. You're always having rents going up every year. Sometimes you don't even have to do much. You already built the house and then you don't do anything again, but you can still be increasing the rent as the years go by. So take advantage of real estate. You might say that I do not have all the money now, and so there is the real estate investment trust. You can start with that. It's sort of like a share or a stock you buy in real estate companies. They also use these monies to build commercial buildings, office spaces, or homes, domestic, residential apartments that they rent out. And as they rent out, they are obliged by law to give out as much as 90% or more of their profit to their investors. So take advantage of real estate. The third asset you can invest in, okay, that will be very crucial, very good for making you money if you start early, is financial education. Financial education is something that I am very passionate about. It's something I didn't come across early in my 20s. If I did, uh, I would have been far gone than I am now, but it's never too late. I mean, if you're still alive, you still have a chance to make a difference. And so, financial education is a very good asset that you can have. Sometimes, because of the knowledge that we do not have, we are perishing or we are dying. The Bible says that for the lack of knowledge, my people perish. And so, if you do not have knowledge in a certain field, you are going to lack. I mean, a lot of people have money, but they have no idea what to do with the money to multiply it or make it grow and increase for them. And so, financial education, it's the best asset you can have because it's something embedded in you. It cannot be taken away from you. And so, do well to have financial education. Guys, in our 20s and 30s, we want number four, start a business as soon as possible because a business takes time to really gain ground. You need to start early because you are going to make mistakes, and as time goes on, you correct yourselves and then you move on and expand. And so, a business is a very good asset to start in your 20s and 30s. Business is one of the best ways to generate income. It could be passive or it could be active income, whichever way you want to invest in a business, you want to start a business. Or a business is all about finding a problem and rendering solution and exchanging that solution or that value for money. That is the simple and the best definition you can give for a business. Solve a problem and then you are good to go. You also want to take advantage in your 20s and 30s of buying treasury bills. Treasury bills are, it's like giving out a loan to the government, and in a period of say 3 months or 6 months or a year, you want to roll over those amounts as the years go by, and then your money is compounding, your profit and your capital is compounding as long as you leave it there for long. So take advantage of treasury bills. Do your research in your various countries where you are watching me, and then find out the best options to buy treasury bills. Also want to invest in growth stocks or dividend stocks. The best thing about stocks is that when you buy a stock or a share, a piece of a company, so these very good companies that we use their products each and every day, my recommendation, if you're using a particular brand, okay, a particular product on a daily basis, you want to buy a stock from or a share from that company, and then as time goes on, either annually or semi-annually or quarterly, depending on the company you have invested in, they pay you dividends. Sometimes you also gain growth of the price. That's price appreciation. So some companies you can gain from price appreciation and also dividend payments at the end of the set date they want to uh, pay you. If you buy, say, a stock for $1, and then after a quarter or after half of the year or after the year, you gain, say, 50 cents on it or another dollar I mean, that is price appreciation. And then they also pay you dividends. So you want to take advantage as early as possible, buy stocks of companies that you use their products on a daily basis. You also want to take advantage of commodities and food. I mean, we have oil, we have gold, minerals like gold, bauxite, diamond. You want to take advantage of all these things, energy, the fuel. These things really pay. You can buy it in the form of shares of companies, or you can buy the actual thing. Some people have gold bars that they buy and then they keep hold on to for long, and then they can sell in the future. So take advantage of these assets. What other assets do you think should you invest in as early as your 20s or 30s, or no matter the age you find yourself? What asset do you think is best for creating wealth? Let us know in the comment section. Do well to check out my previous videos and watch out for my next video. Thank you guys for always and always coming back, for your support, for your views. I do appreciate them all. If you've not subscribed, guys, kindly do me the honor of hitting that subscribe button down below. Thank you and have a great day. God bless you. See you in the next one. It's bye for now.